How to replace engine mount in GLE43amg. Another word you can say motor mount. This car model is 292 and this GLE43amg. This car is have a V6 engine 276. This car is also you can say another 4matic. So we don't have too much space to remove this motor mount. It's not easy. Behind of this engine you can see how much space here. So first I just disconnect, I remove front differential. Now we have lot of space to remove and easy remove both mountings. So first I will try to remove left side mountings, then I will try to remove right side. Left side is a very easy because nothing touching in here. In the left side I did not disconnect and remove this heat protection plate because we have access here to remove this bolt. This from top this E16 bolt and it's another two bolts are E12. So mounting is very bad condition. You can see here it's a very badly damaged, and because of this one it was making the vibration, creating vibration. So before fixing, just match the part number. 5817 is the left side and 5917 is the right side. Come back, it's the right side. It's this pipe was touching this one going to this transmission. So just push this one side, then you can get the access. So right side also have the part number. Just match and fix back it's and enjoy your job. Be happy, be life good.